It's definitely blocking out the sun as the sun gets further down on the horizon.
Yeah.
We're looking at putting some shade cloth up above up there too.
That would make sense. Yeah.
And then we can sit out there whenever we want to. Installers are great. Those two guys were really good. Actually, three of them, because Troy was here for part of the time.
Gotcha.
And they just worked at it. They sat there and got the blinds aligned just right, so when they went down, they all came down to the same level.
Uh-huh.
It would have been easy enough just to walk away, but they didn't do that. They fiddled with it and finally got it right and programmed it.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sky here with Goodwin Cole. Another beautiful day, another beautiful installation, this time in historic Land Park, Sacramento. I'm here with the homeowner who just got a slide wire canopy installation. It's beautiful. How is this going to change things?
Oh, this will make all the difference in the world. It'll give us the shade we need to protect our cars.
Well, for one thing, we have the outdoor bar, and it's definitely going to make it where we can actually come out here and enjoy it.
For sure. You guys host a lot of stuff out here?
We try to, but during the last few summers, it's been almost impossible.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and this is really going to make a big difference.
All right.
Great quality work, local established company. You couldn't ask for anything more.